time at Lankham. And today I'm doing a different type of introduction. It's not about the cottages, it's not about the lodges, not about the games room, indoor heated pool, magical fairy woods, stunning views, sunsets, peace and tranquility, or even the chickens. No, today it's about a book, but not just any book. This book, Summer at the Comfort Food Cafe by Debbie Johnson, was so successful that it ran into a series of a further 5 books, winning Debbie a couple of awards. So why is that relevant to Lankham, you might ask? Well, because these books were based on Debbie's first holiday to Dorset with her family at, yeah, you guessed it, Lankham. But I'm going to let Debbie tell you all about this in her very own words, down Dorset way. I must admit that when I booked our first holiday in Dorset, I actually secretly wanted to go to Cornwall,